Welcome back to Learn German in 32 Hours with John Berlin. And a quick update about my book. The book Learn German in 32 Hours is available on Amazon across all their websites. If you wish to get one, you can get a hard copy in form of a paperback and order one for yourself. Perfect. So coming back to today's topic, we'll be talking about how you can write the special characters of A, Ö, Ü, S, Z on any computer, even if you don't have a German keyboard. Here are some combinations we call ASCII codes. You can simply write them at the same time, punch them at the same time to get the upper cases as well as the lower cases. For example, let's do one. We hold on to the Alt button and we go for the A umlaut. We press 0196 and there you go. Exactly. Similarly, you could do it for all the others. Perfect. This is A, Ö, Ü, S, Z. Perfect. Now you can also write the special characters with the English convention. If you don't want to learn these shortcuts I just spoke about, you could easily write the A, Ö, Ü, S, Z by simply adding a E, or in German if we say A, yes, next to the character. Perfect. So this is A, Ö, Ü, and the double S like the S, Z. Perfect. This is also accepted mostly when you're writing an email ID and the email doesn't permit special characters. You can use these instead. Perfect. Now also, before we read a German text, we need to learn the sounds of combination letters. So some letters written combined to change the sound. For example, AE, saying it in German, AE makes the sound of I. For example, Frankreich, which stands for France. EA makes the sound of E, which is like diesem, stands for this. Now, how to remember this? Now, a quick way to remember this is, I'll give you a tip. You can read this in English in your mind like EI and just look at the last letter I. That is the sound of the combination letters I. Similarly, you could read this in your mind IE and just pronounce the E, which is the sound of this combination letter as well. So this is I, this is E. Perfect. Now the SCH, saying it in German, makes the sound of sh. For example, wahrscheinlich stands for probably, or Schule stands for school. Perfect. CH has got two sounds, sometimes like a ch, other times like a ch. For example, this is machen, stands to do or to make, or Kirche, which is like church. Now a quick trivia. Germany is known as Deutschland in the German language, and for once SCH, which we call SCH, like we saw here, is not pronounced together like sh, because the S is silent. That leaves us with CH, and we pronounce it rather like a ch, like we did in Kirche. So this becomes Deutschland. Translates to country of Germans. Perfect. Now, S we had learned earlier makes the sound of Z. So this is sechs, like the digit 6. SP is like Sp, Sprache, language. ST is like St, studieren, to study. EU is like Eu, like neun, Deutsch, Europa, Euro. Perfect. So in the last lesson, we had done the sounds of the German alphabets. Today's lesson, we learned how to write the special alphabets, as well as we learned the sound of the combination letters. So what I urge you to do is to revise the sounds from the last lesson as well as this lesson. That means the sounds of German alphabets as well as the combination letters. And once you're ready, we can get started with the next topic, with the next theme, in which we'll be actually reading a German text. Perfect. So I look forward to see you in the next lesson. This is John Berlin signing off. Bye-bye.